I can't believe it. I came to do my spa and the spa is closed. It's like closed. Oh my goodness. This is so sad. It's like, it is so freaking sad. I don't understand. Why is the spa closed? I can't believe it. I came to do my nice spa so that I could have a facial and have a massage and steam. And now the spa is closed. This is so sad. I don't understand. These nice people at the temple. Oh my goodness. I am full on with these videos today. I am so full on with these videos. I have energy from the gods. I have been granted a lease, a third, a 12th, a 15th, a 29th, a 30, 42nd, a 40 something lease. Look, I have 10 lines. Did you know that black people can get 10 lines? I'm telling you, this is why I needed to go to the spa. Because my lips have literally burnt from sitting in the sun. I didn't know that black people could burn, but my lips have burnt. And the pain sometimes is pretty intense. I can swear to you this. The pain is pretty intense. My face doesn't burn. My body doesn't burn. But I didn't know that my lips burn. Yeah, I didn't know that my lips burn. Black people, I was laughing at white people because my husband is Caucasian and he burns a lot. He doesn't want to go anywhere with me because he burns a lot. He's like, oh babe, I can't go out with you. I burn a lot. So yeah, I'm back to wearing lipstick again. This is not lipstick. This is lip gloss. Lip gloss. This is not lip gloss. This is Nivea. But it's tinted Nivea. I just had to share those things with you. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, but oh, let me say hello. Hello, my name is Sawubona. Hello, Sawubona. Togoza. My name is Queen Bringer of Good Hope. Yes, my name is Queen Bringer of Good Hope. I was like, I am downloading a lot today. The whole day has just been downloading, and I'm just like, maybe I should just do these videos because like the downloads are intense today. It is intense today. So I was gonna drive home from the spa, and then I got another download while I was just pulling out, and I said, oh, I need to stop and finish this video, and then I can drive home. The downloads are intense today. So you know, when your purpose finally checks in and fully checks in, it's intense. It's intense. I kept saying that I don't have a day off. I don't have a day off. I'm thankful that I sleep. I sleep real good. 6 hours, and that 6 hours, 6 to 8 hours, it's intense. Like now I'm sleeping 8 hours sometimes, not often, but 6 hours straight, and I'm pretty thankful for that. Not even pretty, I'm greatly thankful for that. Oh, I'm so thankful for the sleep. Ooh, I'm so thankful for the sleep. Truly, I'm thankful for sleep. But like, when your purpose fully checks in, it just fully integrates. Let me say that, integrates into your body temple and all aspects of your life. You download like nobody's business. I'm just like, I remember in ministerial school, Reverend Gloria said to me, you can ask the universe to bring it in slowly, gently, and calmly. Slowly, gently, and calmly. Slowly, gently, and calmly. She said I remember her saying that to me. She's like, beloved, that's what she used to say. Beloved, you can always ask the universe to deliver the messages slowly and gently and calmly so that you can handle it. And I was like, oh, I didn't know that I could ask the universe that, Reverend Gloria. Yeah. And she said, no, you can just ask, but I'm telling you, what's going on right now is something else. It's something else. I'm grateful for it. I'm super, super grateful for it. But it's like, oh my goodness, it's like full on. Full on. Honestly, it's full on. Okay. So if you're a visionary, you're an empath, you're a chosen one, you're on the path of spiritual awakening, be ready for full-on activations, full-on downloads where you are just constantly downloading. I carry a book all the time and a journal with me, and I journal a lot. I love to journal. I have to journal. And then when my journal is full, I burn it because I just don't want people knowing what I'm downloading. But now I'm having to speak the downloads. Before, some of the downloads are personal, but some of the downloads to be shared. And I think it's important to take your time through the spiritual awakening experience and the spiritual awakening journey. Do not rush the journey. Do not allow anybody to rush you in the journey, because there's so many pieces that you've got to integrate and that you've got to be able to sit with and be okay with sitting with those pieces of yourself, fragmented pieces of yourself coming back to yourself, coming back home to yourself. Right? I want to chat about memories that I've been having. I have been practicing tree therapy. I practice what I create. Honestly, I practice what I create. And I realized, number one, that I'm very grateful that I have the confidence to put out my work, even if my creative work, even if it didn't look like last year, my work didn't look the best. And I'm okay with that. It was authentically me at that moment going through a very difficult time. It was tough to create videos and edit and learn through the process. And it was me integrating an experience that I'd lived through and learning to use my fifth chakra to speak up about the experience that I lived through. And I brought people along on the journey. It's so important to be authentic in your journey. Do not try to start your journey off, especially if you're having a spiritual awakening or you're integrating a spiritual awakening or you're coming out of a narcissistic, abusive relationship. It's important to balance your masculine and feminine energy through creativity and through logic. This is very, very important. It's very good for your healing, number one. But number two, it's good to be authentic in your journey, because I can honestly tell you, there are a lot of people that are having spiritual awakenings, and a lot of us are awakening. And now it's getting hot. A lot of us are awakening, and in this awakening period, it's a mess. It's a mess. It doesn't look pretty. It doesn't look polished. It doesn't look all the time perfect. Look, I'm rhyming. Pretty, polished, perfect. It doesn't. The narcissistic ideology on planet Earth is that it must look pretty, it must look perfect, it must be business image ready and all of this stuff. This is why I keep saying in all of my videos, people are afraid to start. They are afraid to start, especially if they're coming out of war, they've been traumatized, they're coming out of narcissistic relationships, they're suffering from PTSD. People are afraid to start anything because you live in such tremors and fears, and the what's going on in your head is craziness out here. Seriously, it's craziness. And then when you look at like the Hollywood style videos, you look at people on YouTube who've been doing videos, or people who have been doing videos on YouTube who have a brand team or video editors, you just feel like you have such low self-esteem and you'll never be able to get there. It's nonsense. This is nonsense. You've got to be willing to start where you are with what you have and just get going. I have proved that this process works. Authenticity is the way to go. People are so tired of the pretty, perfect. People are tired of this. It's so inauthentic. Okay, I'm not saying that it shouldn't look pretty, because if you go to futuregenleaders.com, you can see the difference between what my developer has created, how helped me create. We created it together. My website is pretty fucking amazing. I have an incredible website compared to what I had created, but he took what I had created and he just took it to the next level, honestly. But I have left my videos that I was creating last year and some of my videos that I was creating while I was healing and integrating all of this for the past 7 years. And I'm like, this is me, authentically me. You can see the journey of healing. You can see it step by step to now where I'm creating videos with my iPhone, because I just really don't have time to be creating a lot of fancy videos. When I have time, I create my fancy videos, and I keep perfecting my skill of video editing and creativity and all of this stuff. You can never heal. Honestly, you can never heal and be the best version of yourself if you have low self-esteem and you're scared. Yes, we're all traumatized. I think the whole world is traumatized. And my thing is, balance your left hemisphere of your brain and your right hemisphere of your brain to have a full spiritual awakening. And when you begin this process, it is not going to look pretty, poised, and perfect. It is not. And it's not supposed to. What you're supposed to, the journey, the experience, the awakening is the understanding that there is perfection in imperfection. Honestly, there is perfection in imperfection. Oh, I can't, it's too hot. It's too hot. That's why even on my app, Rebirth Your Vision, I have people who, so much better. I have people who have pretty videos and people who don't have pretty videos. The content is what matters. The content. It is the content. We're all starting off at different stages. Some of us are very high. We've been doing this for years and years and years. And some of us haven't. But we are all going through the awakening experience. Some people have Macs, some don't. They have their phones. But what does it matter that you have your phone or you have a Mac or you have a team of 50 people doing your videos? It's your journey. It's your spiritual awakening. Start where you are and go through the journey. A year from there, you'll be looking at yourself going, wow, I'm so proud of myself that I trusted myself and I went through the experience. I would not be here having these conversations with you if I just didn't have the confidence to just say, whatever, I'm just going to put out my videos and do the best I can. So what I'm really here to encourage empaths, visionaries, and chosen ones. I don't like to label myself. These things of labeling yourself, it's quite something. Is start where you are. It's okay to start where you are. It's okay. Try not to look at other people's stuff because it will bring up jealousies in you. If it brings up jealousy in you, work on that jealousy. Work on that stuff. If it brings up a spirit of competition, look at that spirit of competition and say, no, I am unique. I am an individual and I can do what is right for me. I promise you, there is a tribe for everyone. There is a tribe for everyone. Even the narcissists have their own tribe. I just don't want to be a part of that sociopathic tendencies and those narcissists. But it's usually, it's just low self-esteem and self-hatred. But they have their own tribe. Leave them to go and destroy each other in their own tribes. Just don't get yourself involved. We are in Aquarius age now. These people are fizzling out. They are fizzling out. It doesn't matter if they're 70 or 38, 39, or 16, they are fizzling out. You're going to see a lot of them just fizzled out because there's no such thing as perfectionism. There's no such thing. It destroys your self-esteem. It destroys your sense of self. When I look at trees, I'm like, wow, this tree is so beautiful. And it's perfect in its own unique way. So just be you. But they don't know what this means. They don't know what that means. They don't know. This was a copycat. If you're a chosen one or a visionary, please do not copy other people. Because we want to learn from your perspective. Because, oh my goodness, there's over 8 point something billion, maybe 9 billion people on planet Earth. Because some people are not accounted for. Like, think of the villages in Africa, the villages in the jungles here. They don't have birth certificates. They don't. So maybe there's 9 billion people. Maybe there's 10 billion people. We don't know. But they're authentic. And every time I go and find people who are just living their lives simple, authentic, I'm just like, wow, how beautiful. Wow, how beautiful is this? It's just so beautiful. But if everybody looks like Hollywood, it's like, okay, same, who cares? Be authentic. Be you. You, like, there's nobody like you. There are people who love you, and there's people who are not going to love you. Who cares? Live your life. Live your life, okay? Toodles. Sandela talbang sa kabula. Toodles. Mommy corns! Mommy corns roll! Mommy corns roll! Bye! Down, 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 down.